Let's get on with the strimmer, see what we can do. So I'm going to check the filter, so stick it apart and have a look. This one cost me £10. Somebody was getting rid of it, so you see that? It's got a bit of oil at the bottom. I'll just give that a rinse. Yeah, a rinse. Yeah, it's oil. Give this a clean out, I think. Well, just dab that and it disintegrated. Oh well, we'll see what happens with it. I want to change that bubble. Where did I put it? I've left it in the house. Just take this off and then I might even change the fuel lines on this as well, because if that bubbles anything to go to, the fuel lines will be rubbish and all, but we'll see. Snapped off. That don't look too bad actually. Right. Just prise that up a bit. Take that off. Well hard. Just leave that there. That's not petrol, that's oil. Yeah, that's oil, that is. An excess amount of oil. It's pretty clean in there, huh? You getting that, yeah? All I want to do at the moment is like just see if we can get it going. If it goes, it will be the same as the other one, like we'll strip it down and give it a clean. Just going to go and get a nipple from the other shed in the house, so back in a minute. Okay, nice new one. Get off. Just tighten them up bit by bit. Sounds good. Right, these fuel lines. Well, that one's bust as well. Get them off. Let's see if we can get them off easier than that. Yeah, that's come off. That's not got one on. Yeah, that's broke off inside. I don't want to look at that. Right, I'm going to have to take the fuel tank off. It's going to be that and that, won't it? Yeah. Right. Okie dokie, let's get on with it. Right, back in a bit. Right, gotta get this fuel tank off. So, I'm sure on these it's them 2 for and the front 2. So I go up. There we go. No, can I? I can. These tools were invented to make life easy, weren't they? That one needs doing as well. Right, yeah, take it off. Smaller ones at the top. Okay, drop that off. That needs a good clean out. Let's take the petrol tank off. See the 2 holes there for the fuel lines. It's a bit of a crap design, isn't it? But it is what it is. Just have this. Right. Give that a good clean off. Just poke these out. Where's my pliers? La, 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 la. I don't want to do it with that, do I? Where have I put my pliers? I know it. Oh. That's it. Is there an air filter in there? Let's get this out. There you go. Now, I can get that. That needs a good clean, that does. Oh shit. No, it's knackered. We'll have to get a new one. Also, give it a clean and see if it works. Probably will. You getting this, yeah? Right. I'm just going to take that in and give it a clean, so I can get the new lines in it without getting covered in rubbish. So back soon. Okay, I've cleaned all the tank up. Oh, that's all right. Yeah, when I put the new lines in, they just go through the holes. You just push it through. I've had to sort of bore that out a little bit. It's nice and tight, so it should be fine. I'll put it back on and see what happens here. Just feed these fuel lines on first. Just a second. You get a cut there. You apply any pressure, bloody hurts. The reason why it wouldn't go on just because there was a little bit left on it. So just pop that on now. Yep, that That's fine. A little one. They're on now. That's one under that. There's them. Put these back in. That's it. Where's me? The smaller one went on the top there. That's that one. Right, let's set that back up. Stood some up there. Right. That's actually broken there. Let's glue that back on. Right, I'm going to mix some fuel up and just give it a start, see if it'll start. To be honest, I don't hold much up about it because it's well old, but it's got new fuel lines on. What they can do if it's pushing down a little bit. That thumb is doing my head in. I'll push them down a bit. They're on it there. Yeah. Right, I'll mix some fuel up and I'll come back in a sec. Right, I've got some fuel in it. You can see it's up to there, not like that. It's not leaking. Oh, fuel's coming through. Yep. Right. Just give it a blast. So fired up. Doesn't smell too good. Bit half joke. Right. Check the plug, see what the plug's like. You never know. That thumb. Come on. pretty black. Do with a clean. What is it? It's a Champion plug. Just going to give it a clean. Pop it back in and we'll see what happens. So I'll give it a clean. Alright people, I'll clean the plug, put that back in. It could be that the person who had it before fiddled with these. So I'll just turn this a quarter of a turn. I'll leave the choke off for now. No, I'll put it on half choke. Once the fire, turn the choke off. Okay, just going to get out of here. There's a bit of too much smoke back in a tip. To be fair, I didn't think that one would work. I don't know why. When I picked it up, I thought it looks a bag of. But as I said at the beginning, I just wanted to see if it would fire up, and it did. So I'm presuming it's a bit smoky because I think you remember at the beginning of the video when I took it apart, I said that was oil. So I'm wondering whether they, mixed up far too much oil in with the petrol or something like that, and that's why it eventually stopped working. But the fuel lines were bust anyway, as with the other one as well. So they've got new fuel lines, new bubble. The car's been adjusted. May need adjusting again though. And next time I'll not start it in the shed. Too smoky. But yeah, now I know it's all working, I'll strip it down. And this bit's missing off it. So I've got a new one to put on it. The head itself looks alright actually. And when I revved it, it was spinning around fine, so that'll do. I'll just strip it down, give it a good clean. I'm sure you don't want to see that bit, but if you do, let me know. I showed you the last one in bits. There's only so many times you want to see that. So thanks for watching people, and I'll catch you with another one soon. Might be our mower the next one, I think. I'm going to get one of them vintage mowers out of the shed. As I said, I bought two, so I'm going to get one of them up and start giving it a paint. Well, see if it starts first. If it starts fine, I'll start taking the panels off it and we'll give it a paint job. So, ciao for now.